Hello. Today we are playing Alley Wars because I couldn't think of anything else to do. Next week I'm gonna be coming out with part 2 of the milestone ones 4 and 7, where I'm gonna be getting milestone 4. Anyways, yeah, and what else? Shut up. Yeah, so Alley Wars is quite a classic game. There's two, like, there was an even older version of this one. I saw that on the video that I watched. So yeah, we'll just be playing this one because the older version. Wait, oh, is someone? I think someone is. I can't actually check for some reason, but I think someone's VIP. Yep, he's VIP. He has like an auto spam thing. But, hold on. Wait. Still alive. Haha. You shall die. Wait, there's 2 people with VIP. There's also a load of hackers in this game a lot of the time. But yeah. We're gonna wanna try winning at least 1 round. It might be quite a short video. Yeah. Oh god. Excuse me. For God's sake. That should not be allowed. The guy is really bad. He just... wait. At least we also have someone... Wait. How do you even get me? But anyway, the VIP is so pay to win in this game. Yeah. I just want to get a capture the flag, and I have a great idea on how to do that. Simply go under the map. No one's actually... No, I don't think anyone's capturing the flags. So I might be the only person. Oh, never mind. I was wrong. Of course I was. I think I'm stuck. I think this guy has my flag. Our flag. What? No. I don't think this guy's dead. Yeah. I could kill him. Oh god, I thought he didn't know how to use stuff. He's not gonna figure out how to invade our base. Yeah, come on. That was easy. Anyways. Ow! Oh, that's so not nice. Guess I should walk there then. Paradise Summer. It's annoying. I don't like this guy. Super annoying. Where is Thunder? Watch out. Get dead. Okay, of course there's 2 VIPs on that. What the? There's 2 VIPs on that team, so it's kind of unfair, but... Frick, he can still drive! He has the flying, and somehow his car just jumped. Well, someone would kill him by now. This guy's really abusing his... What? Dead. Oh god, there's so many freaking people trying to win, and winning is not good for... Oh no. What? There's no way I can dodge that. No way. Okay, good. I was gonna say that there's no... Well, that guy's come, and I don't like him. So yeah. Yeah. That was gonna obviously good win, because they have VIP. 2 people with VIP on the team. I just need... Okay, I have 1 person with VIP, which is really good. So... Except the calorie guy. But I think that our team only has like 3 people on. Oh god. I was looking at the leaderboard, thank you very much. Well, they have 4 points more than us. I forgot you can like completely float. What? was shooting him. No, 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 no. You shall die. He didn't even hit me. He did not hit me. He just did not hit me. There's someone up there. Wow. They're just guarding our base. They're not even actually, like, getting the flag. It's being really annoying. It thinks a bunch. Oh god, what are those? Jesus, I'm nearly dead. Did he just teleport back to his base? I think I might join a different server. Because, let's be honest, no one's winning. Well, they are winning. Oh yay! What team am I on? This map is my favorite map. Jungle map. And we are fortunately winning. Is this guy good? Who is this guy? Oh, I'm on your team, buddy. Jesus, why so serious? Of course my friend had to kill me. The rest of the other team. Yay. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to say hi and everyone just camping. Yeah, that's what I thought. He's still alive though, it's unfortunate. I see him. Where is he? Haha. Die. Die. You shall die. I'm gonna go up here and protect. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot the flag is. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. He really thinks that someone's in there? Idiot monkeys. Anyways, if he's gonna try getting... There he is. Papagoo. My friends are really being annoying right now. How dare you? They're probably gonna take the lead, actually. They caught up pretty quickly. Miss! Watch me snipe that guy. Wait, is he actually still in? Freaking Papagoo. Hi, little Papagoo. Wow, what a waste. Okay. Is someone actually still in that? I doubt it. There's no way someone's in there. Okay, no one's in there. Oh! Jesus Christ, that scared me. That's what I thought. I'm a master at... Oh, Jesus Christ. I have a fan. There's no way. Now, why is everyone chatting now? Ah! Ah! I will kill you. Get dead. Get dead. Get dead. Ow. That's not nice. He's gonna get the flag now. Let me live another day so I can... No, dang it. Why did he not fall to the ground and die? The... Oh wait, that guy... Wait, no, they look the exact same. Are they still in the green bean era? That'd be upsetting. Where do you even go? Kill! Can I be in it? Nobody... Everyone's saying like, oh, can I be in it? Well, if you're watching, yeah, you're in it, but whatevs. I don't think anyone actually is in it. Because nobody is gonna watch my videos. Anyways, where is freaking... Where is he? Oh, dang it. He was right behind me. Coconut... Wait, what's his name? Coconut TXE. No, I can't let him get away. Why can't I shoot my thing? Okay, fine, good enough. Oh. Help. I'm stuck. Ow, that's not nice. For some reason my thing doesn't shoot. Hello. Who said that? That's not nice. There's someone inside here. Attack! Ow. He's hacking. Yes, I won. Yes, I won. Okay. Oh, yay, I killed a bunch of people. Anyways, let's see how long this video has gone for, and that's good enough. Alright, bye-bye. See you next week where I'll get milestone 4 and 7, and then I'll change to someone else. Yeah, bye-bye.